if this heading applies, then skip to the next video or whichever one you wish to watch. Split the work area in two. We're going to have first principles. First, I'm just going to put P for there, and we're going to have shortcut over here. First principles, shortcut. Okay, what are we looking at? What numbers are we looking at? Let's consider 6 over 4. Yeah, I know it can be simplified. Divide by 3 over 5. Now what the shortcut does is it always changes the left one such that the size indicator or denominator has the same value as that one. So let's do that, shall we? Now first step is to change that to 1. Then if we multiply it, so we end up that 4 becomes 1, which we then multiply by 5, and we get the 5 there. So let's do that. Let's do that. We have 6 all over 4 divided by 4. Because I divided the bottom by 4, I have to divide the top by 4. It does not change the value, just what it looks like. Okay, so that now becomes 1. So this becomes, and I'm going to write it like that, 6 divided by 4. That becomes 1 divided by 3 over 5. Now we need to change that 1 into 5 so it matches that figure there. So what we have now is 6 over 4, there's your 1, which we want to change to 5, so we multiply it by 5, and we have to multiply the top by 5 as well. Divide by 3 over 5. They just look different, they're the same values, nothing has changed in value. So that gives me 6 over 4 times the 5 over 5 divided by 3 over 5. Now because the bottom numbers are the same, the size indicators, denominators, we can forget them and just divide the 3 into that. So we end up with 6 over 4 times the 5, and all of that lot there is divided by 3. That would give us the correct answer. But suppose I were to change this such that we had 6 over 4 times the 5 times 1 over 3. That is the same as divide by that. So let's consider what we've got here. No, let's go over to the shortcut method. 6 over 4 divided by 3 over 5. Now as I said, the shortcut method is write this 6 over 4. Yeah, I know it can be simplified. Change that to multiply. Turn this little friend here upside down. Straight away notice 6 over 4. 6 over 4. Now because of the way numbers work, I can move that 5 over here 5 times 1 is 5, so I end up with 6 over 4 times 5 over 3. They're the same thing. Isn't this one faster? They're the same thing. In fact, what you're doing is you're dividing that by that and manipulating these in such a way that it creates a conversion factor. I'm not going to go too deep into that. I just want to demonstrate that these are the same thing. So now you can use that little friend there with great confidence, knowing that it works.